The objective of this lesson is to be able to use the ISNUMBER formula. So what does this formula do in Excel? Basically, it will check a cell and let you know whether it is a number or not. So if it's a number, it will return true, if not, false. So let's try it out on a few cases and you'll understand it better. So we write here equal ISNUMBER, and then you select your cell, you close the parenthesis, and you put enter. Audi is not a number, it's a text, right? So obviously it will give you false. Now, if you get a boolean which is true or false, it will give you false because this is again not a number. Any text which has letters and number like this one, again is not a number. Now, if you have like 20 a number, then this is where it's going to return true. If you have a blank cell, next case, it's not a number, so it's false. Now you have to be careful on those last two cases. In this case, it looks like 20 is a number, but sometimes when you download data from systems, it looks like it's a number, but actually it's a text because you can see this number stored as text. And to convert it to number, you need to click here. But if you run the formula on this, it will give you false. And sometimes this will create problems for you in Excel if you don't convert this to a number. So this formula can highlight this. And finally, you have a date. So now dates in Excel are equivalent to number. When I click here, you can see that it's a number. So when I'm going to apply the formula, you will get true. And again, this is a formula that you would not use usually on its own. You will use it within another formula like an if statement. And then based on this, you'll do some actions.